Hi, this is Nanette Hosenfeld with the Great Basin Smoke Dispersion Briefing for Monday, November 26, 2018. Looking at precipitation over the past 7 days, the northern, about 2/3 of the Great Basin has seen close to normal precipitation. You can see how that compares to normal on the map on the right side. Further south, things have been quite dry with far below normal precipitation. Winter has finally come to the northern part of the Great Basin, at least. Quite a bit of snow has fallen over the past 3 days, especially across the higher elevations. You can see some portions of Utah, Idaho, and Nevada have seen up to 2 feet of snow in the past 3 days. So it's really exciting for all those of you who are ready for winter to begin. Lower elevations seeing some snow accumulations as well. Looking at the snow depth map on the right, the majority of the snow, again, is still in those higher elevations, though there is about a trace to 2 inches across the lower elevations of northern portions of the Great Basin. The satellite this morning shows high pressure in place over the Great Basin, with a low pressure system moving into the Pacific Northwest. For today, with that high pressure in place, we are looking at port-of-air ventilation indices across the entire Great Basin. That port-of-air mixing is due to really light transport winds and low mixing heights. Moving into Tuesday, that doesn't change too much. We start to see the pattern shift with that next system moving into the area. However, ventilation indices will still be port-of-air across the majority of the area on Tuesday. And again, looking at that in more detail, you can see that the transport winds are starting to increase a bit, but with really low mixing heights, that shouldn't help too much. As we move into Wednesday, we'll begin to see an improvement in mixing across the area with that low pressure system making its way into the Great Basin. Transport winds will continue to increase across areas, as well as increasing mixing heights with that weather disturbance moving through the area Wednesday. So over the next 3 days, again, you can see Monday and Tuesday really low clearing indices, and then beginning to see some improvement moving into Wednesday. Over the next 3 days, the majority of the precipitation that falls will be across the northern part of the Great Basin. On Tuesday, we will continue to see ventilation indices improve with that low pressure system making its way through the area. Continued improvement is expected on Friday with that weather disturbance across the area. Moving into Saturday, we could see, again, a slight decrease, although overall we are looking at good to excellent mixing across the area Saturday. And finally on Sunday, again, really great mixing with that low pressure system in place across the area. In the 4 to 5 day period, pretty much the entire Great Basin will see some precipitation. In the 8 to 14 day period, the Climate Prediction Center is calling for below normal temperatures and above normal precipitation. So hopefully we will continue to see the active pattern that we are in with continued snowfall across the area. So that's it. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. Our information is on the screen, and you can also find us on Twitter. Thank you.